Today, let's look at how to use BA2 Plus calculator to calculate NPV during CFA exam. Let's say we have a project that has 3 cash flows. The initial cash outflow of $200 comes at time 0. It is followed by 2 cash inflows of $100 and $150 at time 1 and time 2. Now, before entering the cash flows, we need to clear the previous cash flow data. To do so, we first press the CF cash flow button, then press the clear work button at the bottom of the calculator. Now let us enter the 3 cash flows of our project. The first cash flow is an outflow of $200. We enter 200 for cash flow at time 0. Then, make it negative because it is an outflow. Then, confirm by pressing on the Enter button. Then press on the downwards arrow button to go to the next step. See, now the calculator asks what is the cash flow at time 1. We enter 100 positive as a cash inflow at time 1. Then confirm by pressing on Enter. For F01, meaning frequency of the first cash flow, we leave it at 1 because there is only one cash flow of $100. But, if there was one cash inflow at time 1 and another cash flow of the same amount at time 2, we would have entered 2 for frequency F01. We then enter the cash flow at time 2 of positive $150 for frequency F02 of only one time. Now, to finally calculate the NPV value using the 3 cash flow data, we should press the NPA button. The calculator asks what is the return rate or the interest rate to use. We enter 5 without the percentage sign. Then, confirm by pressing on Enter button. Then go to next step by pressing the downwards arrow button. Now, press on Compute button in the top left corner of the calculator to get the net present value of the project's expected cash flows. The NPV is $31, which means the project is expected to be a profitable one. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your exam.